It started off the coast of Florida back in the 80s. The whole Atlantic basin is now saturated and infested with lionfish. It's gone down through the Gulf of Mexico, across Mexico's coastline into the Caribbean, and they're now off the coast of Brazil heading south into waters where they shouldn't even be able to survive. They've gone as far north as Boston, Massachusetts in the United States, again in temperatures that they shouldn't even be able to survive in. So they're highly adaptive fish. So they're a threat to everything in between Boston and Brazil. The only solution that we've actually proven to be effective, for example, we're standing at Mangle Alto, one of the most popular and accessible dive sites on Aruba. We have managed the population here at Mangle Alto by scuba diving and hunting them with Hawaiian sling spears. Spearfishing is illegal on Aruba. We have special dispensation from the police and the local authorities here for lionfish only to use a pole spear. That's the most effective weapon we have against them today. There's a new deep water trap program that's being developed by the National Oceanographic, Atmospheric and Administrative Association in the United States. They have developed a dome trap, which is an environmental trap that will attract lionfish below where we can reach them, from 40 meters, where we can dive safely as scuba divers, to 300 meters lionfish have been found. So these dome traps will be deployed for 28 days, and when they're picked up, the environment itself will be enclosed by netting. So you'll just pick up the trap itself and the lionfish. Lionfish are attracted by structures underwater and coral heads. They're a very docile fish. They hunt at night and then they hide mostly during the day. That's why you can't get them by fishing them with a regular hook and line. You actually have to go and hunt them. We'd love to get the fishermen involved. Right now we have the dive community very involved. If we can get this deep water trap program going, and that's going to take funds. Everything, unfortunately, costs something. But we have a program in place. If we can get the proper funding, we can supply a 300 florin deep water trap to a fisherman who can deploy it, pick up the catch, sell it into us so that we can get it to the seafood market, and then we'll return the trap to them so they can go and deploy. So my message to the fishermen would be, contact us. Get involved with us. Maybe build a trap with us and let's try it, okay? Because what we're doing is saving their livelihood. Each lionfish eats 5,000 of our reef fish, crabs, and lobsters a year, uncontested, and nothing knows it as food. It's killing off our marine life, which in turn is killing the health of our coral, because the marine life keeps the coral healthy. So the fishermen have such a huge vested interest in what we're doing that they should be involved already, and we're very surprised that they're not. We'd love to work with everyone who wants to come into this program because it's for Aruba's good. The more people that are involved, the healthier island we're going to have. And as you know, tourism is 90% of our economy. So without a healthy underwater environment, our natural beauty on Aruba is going to go, and then where are we?
Essa aqui tá é Arubiano, o website